What's up guys, Chapo Blends here with another YouTube tutorial. I wanted to put this video before the haircut tutorial because I wanted to show off that I got a new camera. Wanted to talk to y'all, let y'all know that this is a big milestone and achievement for me. I came from recording with iPhones and iMovies on my phone, so this is a big step in my barber career, but also in my YouTube career. So I appreciate everybody that's been following up since my iPhone recordings and iPhone videos. But just kind of wanted to give y'all a little brief summary on that. Make sure y'all like, share, and be subscribed to my YouTube channel, and also turn the bells on for my notifications every time I drop dope content like this. And once again, man, I appreciate y'all for supporting the whole YouTube channel and being a YouTube family with me. So I really salute y'all. Appreciate that. Stay tuned. YouTube family, what is up? It's your boy Chapo Blends with another haircut tutorial. I got a Canon M50 now. As you can see, we finna see what it's about. I start off with my autofocus a little messing up, so I apologize about that. So I go in with my Evo trimmers and I create my ball line. These are my soft trimmers, so they shouldn't do too much damage on that ball line. So now I got my electric shaver and I'm going in under the ball line. So now I got the OG Babyliss clippers, the silver ones, and I'm creating my first guideline, which is my lever open. And now I'm just detailing and I'm making sure that all my lever open is even and creating that shape throughout the fade that we're gonna have. So then you can see I'm moving the lever and I'm playing and I'm detailing it. Now I go in with my one guard on my Babyliss clippers and I'm creating that same shape that I did with the lever open. Now I go in with the sweet guard, and this sweet guard is the half guard, and I'm going in and I'm detailing. Getting rid of that line and I'm detailing as well. I'm playing with the lever, so just detail. Now I go in with my two guard on my Babyliss clippers and creating that debulking shape. And so yeah, I'm doing two things at once: debulking and I'm creating that same shape that I told y'all we're gonna do. Now I grab my Babyliss Low Pros and I grab my 1.5 guard, fading down that little spot right there that connect the 1 to the 2, making sure that everything is flowing in correctly, but definitely detailing as well. And as you can see right there, I opened it up a little bit, but you're gonna see how I blend it in right there by his C cup. But now I got the seniors, wall seniors with the Filthy Blends mod on it. Got the taper blade, Andy's blade on it. And this is just detailing. I'm getting rid of those dark spots. And I'm playing with the lever and using corners only. It's probably my favorite setup right now because man, it's so versatile using this clipper and it's crazy. Shout out to 50 Blends for the mod. So as you can see, I'm just detailing, making sure everything blends. And like I said, I opened up a little bit right there by a C cup, but I'm gonna blend it in and try to make it look nice. So now this technique I learned in CT Barber Expo. I just turned the blending shears to the side and I'm just hitting those dark spots. Basically like a clipper if I was using the clipper, just using the corner. But then you'll see that I'll turn my comb around and then I'll just start thinning it out and blending it in together. My guy got a haircut last week and he came in this week for a fresh up, so I'm just trying to blend everything nice. So now I'm still detailing with my seniors, with the Andy's blade. I put my one guard and I detailed. I'm still detailing with my thinnest shears and making sure all them dark spots get softened up. Right now I'm finna use my Babyliss Gold FX and I'm finna create the C cup. Like I said, he got a lineup on the side last week, so it's still fresh. He doesn't get a front line right now, he's growing it out, so he hasn't got a hairline for the 2 haircuts yet. So now on this side, we doing the same exact thing, so I speed it up. So if you want to make sure and follow everything, make sure that you can just follow and remember everything we did on the other side.